Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens how to print photos from phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do in order to print photos is simply head over and launch the Walgreens application and be sure to be logged in with the Walgreens credentials. Then once logged into your account, in order to print photo, what you need to do is simply tap on the photo, tap on the bottom right corner of the screen. In order to print, simply select the print option right here, and now you can tap on your device option and upload a photo from your gallery or your Facebook or any social media or Google Photos as well. Then once done, what you need to do is simply select a print from device, and you can now select the picture you want to print from your phone and simply tap on next. And now pick print sizes and quantity. Common sizes are 4x6, 5x7 and 8x10, and you can also adjust proper fit as needed. Now once done, choose your nearest Walgreens for same-day pickup and review your photos, confirm your order, and then tap on checkout. Once done, you will get a notification or email when your prints are ready, which usually takes 1 hour for 4x6. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.